Alright, good morning. I had to always put my hand on my face. I don't know. Alright, so I've lost the tripod somewhere. I'm gonna have to get creative today, but I'm really excited because today we're gonna put the roof on, put the railing on the left, right side, whatever side you're looking at. We're so close to being done. Probably, yeah, be sometime in September we'll be done. That would have made it probably about 7 months we've been working on this thing. So I'm excited. I'm finally going to be able to sleep in on my Saturdays. But today we're going to put the railing post, and put a railing across to secure that beam, make it stronger. So then when we start working on this roof, we're going to start on this side, on the difficult, pray for your life every day side, and then we're going to work our way all the way over. So so that's what we're doing. Strengthen this, put the beam up, pull up, whatever you want to call it. It's early. I always say it's early. 4x4 up, and then attach a 4x4 to the wall. Run the cross piece across there and across there. I'm going to put the ladder, run a ladder from here down, so it's leaning up against the deck, patio, whatever. It's probably a patio. No, balcony. English. From the balcony down, so we can bring stuff up. There's all the wood underneath there. Okay, I'm gonna get started, and I have to get creative where I'm gonna put this thing. Here we go. where's everybody? Bye. We didn't get the roof on, but we got some other stuff. Yeah. Okay. All right. Bye.